Hi friends, this is RioCan from SAVEMAX development team, and today I am in Oshawa. That's right, it's a gloomy day, but we have a fantastic opportunity for you in the world of real estate. We're bringing you U.C Tower. It's finally launched, and that's right, this tower has been talk of the town. Why? Because the starting price point is $190,000. You heard that right, $190,000. You are basically gonna have a downtown living in uptown Oshawa. You cannot go wrong with this project. We have units on hand. You can get a studio, 1 bedroom, 1+10, 2 bedrooms, even 3 bedroom units. And to get access in this project, as you can see behind me, this is where the site is. This is where the 25-story tower is going to come up. And behind us is the presentation center. That's where we're going to be signing units as well. So again, to get more details about this project, to get yourself a unit here, all you have to do is give us a call at 1-833-459-7900. 1-833-459-7900.